This is Grandma Spears.
Gigi.
Gigi.
Gigi to her. Great grandma.
This is your pants of Cat Cat. Cat Cat pants. And this is the design. Look at you. Yeah. Then she will see that in person on 3 weeks from now.
Okay, here.
You doing video?
Yeah.
You want to slide that in? Try to take it
This
from
is
the back.
Grandma Spears. And this is Lola Spears.
In the back.
From the back of the machine. There you go.
This is special for Cat Cat.
That's not you?
Yeah.
Look at
This is
this.
beyond.
You cannot see this
Is
design.
that working?
No design yet in the machine.
Okay, I hope it is. I didn't think to look at it.
Okay, it's down. How do you do it?
Hold it. I think it's up.
Well, I don't think it's going to fit
If you
under.
hit the button on that side again, it'll go up, the needle will go up higher. The one up here on top. On top. There.
Yeah. There you are.
Can you do it again? Oh, there it goes.
So it's right. I tried to impress Darling.
You tried to what?
To impress Darling. Yeah. Okay.
Is it over there?
Yeah. Transfer already.
Okay.
Here is the
turn it over?
design.
Yeah, I turned it. I
Then
flipped it.
just what?
Put your thread on.
Still 2 minutes. I want to finish in 3 minutes.
Yeah. This one goes down in the... You did a good job, didn't I? Got a lot of thread off of there.
I'll send it to her email. Then after 3 weeks she can